friends. So welcome back. It's been a couple weeks since my last update, and that's mainly because there hasn't been a whole lot going on. That said, I have been working on the renovations, so I have been shooting some video, and those videos will be coming. I'm starting to think I might do kind of a three-part half. So basically, part 1, 2, and 3. And then because of the winter break, etc., might be waiting until next year to finish off the renovations. So perhaps those 3 phases will basically be 4, 5, and 6. So that's a pretty good possibility that I'll work those out and get those out to you soon. But yeah, as far as that, been doing some work, got a little bit of work coming in. Still at Severn Dam, hanging out with the dog. He's getting lots of ball time in. I swear we play ball like 5 times a day just because I need a break to get out and stretch and that kind of thing. Which brings me to my next point. My back went out a couple weeks ago. It happens once in a blue moon. And lately it's been kind of bugging my sciatic nerve, which goes down my leg, and that hasn't been helpful. But aside from that, I still did manage to get some renovations done. I'm working on another little artsy-fartsy project for you guys that will be the next video after this one. And that will be the last of anything that's kind of renovation or paint related while I pack everything up and Rollins and I get ready to head east. We are about a week or so away from our trek across Canada, going to Nova Scotia for the winter. I'm going to be staying in my sister's house. My niece and nephew have both left the nest, so to speak, so there's extra room, so I'm going to rent a room, and Rollins and I are going to kind of hunker down there for the winter, pay a little rent, and yeah, do as much exploring through Nova Scotia, etc. as we can, weather permitting. So those videos will be coming up during the winter, and then come spring we'll probably eventually work our way back this way in hopes that fall of 2021 we can head back down south again. But we'll see what happens. That's over a year from now, so who knows what can transpire between now and then, especially with this COVID thing. I'm not counting on a vaccine or any kind of thing soon, so you never know. I don't know what that's going to look like. But anyways, I just thought I'd chime in and give you guys an update. It's windy here today, so hopefully you're not getting any wind noise. I got my back to it right now, but aside from that, we have a fellow behind me. I don't know if you can see him. He's actually swimming across the reservoir. He's done it a few times since we've been here. I guess once you're in and past the kind of like the algae and stuff on the shore, it's not so bad, but I'm not sure I'd want to be in there. There he is there. Just a giving her. So yeah, aside from that, just cooking some dinner. Barbecue burgers. So yeah, dinner's ready. That's about it for this week. I'm going to sign off, and hopefully we'll have more entertaining and more informative videos coming up. Like I said, a little artsy-fartsy thing coming next. Hopefully you'll like that one. So on that note, I will say goodbye, and we'll talk to you all soon. Cheers. Bye.
It's like working with a monkey.